Hello, Machinist! I'm Shogo Nakamura.
I'm Hiro Kuratani.
So, everyone, today, new project start. So, I never know anything and I just come here. Hiro, new project name, non-stop machinist talk. What the meaning of this title? What the content?
We will show you a surprising multitasking machining process, and we discuss the machining process while stopping at this button.
Oh, so we see the machining process is together and we can stop the machining
Right.
by pressing this button.
Right.
So,
Stop.
wow, it's interesting.
Yeah.
So, Hiro, the first workpiece is very important.
Right.
Yeah, keep pushing you
Oh,
pressure.
a lot. Yeah.
Maybe first content
Yep.
is the best content. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I'll show you the components. Okay.
Wow.
It's so heavy.
What is that?
I have to put in here. Yes.
Please put that.
Okay.
Wow. It's so heavy workpiece.
Right.
What is that?
This one is straight milling holder.
Oh yes, this is the milling holder on the turret.
Right.
Yeah. What the size of turret?
150 to 250 machines.
That is a multitasking machine, the 18 jack, the 16 jack machine.
Right.
Middle size.
Right.
Okay, I understand. So, this workpiece come to be this product.
Right.
Oh, amazing. Impressive. So, I think here, this workpiece is definitely the process by machining center, right?
No.
Yeah?
This
No?
one made by one multitasking machine.
I cannot believe it.
Just
I cannot
one
believe it.
ma-
It's amazing. Really?
Yeah, it's really yes.
Wow.
Okay, let's start the machining.
Okay, let's go. So, firstly, OD cutting start, I think.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, let's stop it here. Stop. This is the first stop.
Yeah, very fast.
Okay. And this machine structure is rest spindle,
Yeah. Yep.
now rotating.
Right.
And then upper is tool spindle, right?
Right.
This is a ATC type multitask machine.
Yeah, you are correct.
Uh-huh.
This one we call NTRS 300.
NTR 300.
Right. Then the machine is upper side ATC spindle to spin.
Ah.
So both spindle.
Okay, two spindle
Two
machine.
spindle machine.
Then the machine looks heavy and rigid, and I think it's seems to be easy to use. It's a close to chuck.
Right, you're right. Because the machine doesn't have lower turret,
Oh, understand.
only two spindle.
Okay. Maybe easy to use. Okay, let's start. So the cutting.
Stop.
Oh, what happened? Hiro, what happened?
Yeah, it's very quick.
Maybe editing the movie,
Yeah,
right?
right. Yeah, we are editing the movie.
How much cutting depth?
Actually, 4 millimeter.
4 millimeter.
Cut-off width 4 millimeter.
Uh-huh.
Diameter means 8 millimeter.
Machine do machining
Yep.
here,
Yep.
like that?
Yep.
Okay. The turning.
Turning operation here. Yep.
A lot of the volume machining, right?
Right.
Okay, let's start again.
Stop.
Oh,
Stop.
wow.
The raw material is mild steel.
Mild steel.
Diameter is 120.
120.
Length is 210.
Okay. Wow, big one.
Big one.
How much size of the chuck?
10-inch chuck.
10 chuck. So this machine, the chuck size up to 10 inch or more than 10.
More than 10-inch.
Really?
Yes.
It's a big one.
Right. Because the maximum cutting diameter
Yeah.
is 640 millimeters.
640?
Yeah.
Really?
So big.
So big. So the maximum in the chuck size you offer to the customer, how much is it?
21.
21.
inch.
Wow.
Yes.
Maybe this machine don't have the lower turret
Right.
and have the big swing,
Mhm.
have the big maximum turning diameter, right?
Right. You're right.
It's impressive. So let's start again.
Okay.
Now drilling process, then grooving.
Yep.
How much is that? 6 millimeter width
Yes.
of the grooving.
Right. And you see the feed rate is quite faster.
Yeah.
0.14
Wow.
millimeter per real.
So which area?
Here, this area.
Okay, this area
Yeah.
for grooving.
Right. So the two, like a two pass between here and here is a 12 millimeter.
I think this is the important process for the
Right.
after that.
Right.
Okay,
You're right.
understand. Let's start. And grooving process. I think it's nice cutting chip. So now big pullback cutter
Right.
come in.
Right.
And then it's very speedy process, right?
Stop.
Okay.
The cut of this is a 2.5 millimeter and feed rate is 0.93.
9-3.
So like a, you see, like a machining center, right?
Yeah. This is truly machine center process, I think. So now we machining this flap.
Right. This area and this flap.
Wow. Huge area for the milling.
Right.
So this is by multitasking machine. It's incredible, I think. And that the fullback cutter is how much diameter?
Then 71
71.
millimeter.
This two spindle
Yep.
is clamping the actual C6
Right.
cap, right?
C6 cap. Yes.
Or we can choose the HSK 63.
63. Yep.
Yeah. And so how much the tool size for this machine?
For example, machining BT40.
Oh, BT40. That it's like medium-sized machine set.
Right. You're right.
Understand. So let's start again. Okay. Now flatting. You flatting that. A lot of flatting process, huh?
Right. A lot.
And then cross drill. Wow. Amazing. 49 diameter cross drilling.
Stop.
So 49 diameter cross drilling on here.
Here to here.
Okay. Then firstly, so cross drilling here.
Yep.
Then C-axis rotate and also machining here.
Right. You're right.
Understand. So this is a big volume cross drilling process, and the diameter of the drill also big.
Big. 49 millimeter.
Yeah. How you select the machine? How you calculate the motor power and the motor torque or something?
First, we check the drawing first.
Yeah.
After that, I imagined how much diameter is inside.
Okay.
Then we calculated a certain drill
Yeah.
length and diameter.
Understand.
In this time, very big 49 millimeter
Yeah.
drill. So I recommend NTRX 300 because this machine 120 Newton meter.
Big torque.
Yeah, very big
Uh-huh.
torque. And 23, 15 kilowatts
Wow.
output power. It's quite big.
So big motor power, big motor torque.
Right.
So the machine can do this cross drilling.
Right.
This is very important area
Yep.
to rotate the milling tool, right?
Right. So two phase is more important for concentricity,
Okay.
and also the here and here very important for perpendicularity.
Understand.
Perpendicularity.
It's difficult to pronounce it's perpendicularity.
Perpendicularity.
Good learning. Thank you. So everybody, let's start. Okay. So cross drilling process.
Yep.
And then the solid end mill process. Start.
Right. Diameter 16.
Solid. Wow.
Quite faster.
Wow. So is it real process?
Yes.
No cheating?
Yeah.
Come
no,
on.
no cheating. No
Is
cheating.
that maybe fast rapid speed editing for the video, right?
This time not. No. It's an actual real cutting condition
Wow.
for customers.
It's like demo cutting on the exhibition.
Normally, yes, but this is not demo cutting.
Is the real machine
Real
on the
machine.
customer factory?
Right,
Same?
same, exactly same.
Let's start.
Okay.
Wow. Keep doing. No.
Yeah. So the cut of depth is a 10 millimeter.
10
I mean,
millimeter.
X-axis direction,
Yeah.
10 millimeter.
Yeah. Hiro, is why you never use the coolant here?
Yeah, actually, customer using coolant,
Yeah.
but with coolant we cannot see the cutting area and the cutting chips.
For the video.
Right, for
Okay,
video.
Understand.
This is for video.
So now is after cross drilling,
Right.
expand the diameter of the hole.
Right.
So by the contouring,
Contouring,
milling
yes.
process.
Yeah, right. Then,
So Hiro,
yep.
stop. So contouring milling process, what's the point? That this is a 3-axis movement.
Right. Because a common diameter tooling,
Yeah.
then we can making a bigger hole by using the contouring
Okay.
and also the helical milling
Yeah, yeah,
operation.
Okay, understand. So even customer have the magazine
Yep.
on the ATC machine.
Yep.
Many customers so worry about number of tools.
Mhm.
At that time, in the common tooling reduce the number of tools, right?
Right, right.
Mhm. Understand. Okay, let's go. So you change the tool
Yep.
for the expanding hole.
Uh-huh.
Why?
Good question. Do you know why?
I never know. Stop.
Because now you see the little bit bigger like diameter
Yeah.
cutting tool.
Okay.
The length has to be more longer to go to here. In this case, overhang length is a lot.
Okay,
So
understand.
diameter bigger is much better.
Ah,
for this
reduce
operation.
chattering risk.
Right.
Understand. Okay, let's go. So now flattening again.
Right.
I think over there.
Yeah. And angle milling operation.
Oh, angle mirroring.
Yep.
Okay. Angle mirroring and make flat.
Right. Right.
Yeah,
this one.
Stop. So now we make here and
Yeah.
the two spindle change the degree.
Oh, yes, yes.
So how much degree the NTRX, the two spindle can change?
Okay, I'll explain. The ATC tool spindle here,
Yeah.
then we say this direction B0,
Yeah.
then move to left hand side 90 degrees and more 30 degrees. Totally 120 degrees here. And also the other side, right hand side moving until 105 degrees. So totally 225 degrees.
Wow.
Move
225
this.
degree.
Like this.
That is a flexible. Yeah, I think. So it means the two spindle we always call B minus 90 degree.
D minus 90 degrees.
B minus 90 degree in the turn into the left spindle
Right.
and do the straight mirroring and straight drilling. And B plus 90, it means the two spindle change the degree to the right spindle.
Right.
And for straight mirroring and straight drilling something or boring. And so yeah, this is also interesting topic, I think. Yeah, okay, let's go. Okay. Let's spin the process all down.
Right.
Stop. So,
Mm.
lot of process done in the breast spindle.
Right.
So why lot of process all down in the breast spindle? So that is related to the accuracy of
Right. Geometric tolerance is very important.
Ah.
So the concentricity and difficult words,
Linearity?
yeah, so important component.
Okay, okay.
That's why we just one checking and making through angle
Understand.
together.
Understand. So this process on the one chucking,
Right.
then make good accuracy.
Yep.
So next question is, after the rest spin the process done,
Yep.
so what is the next process?
Yes. The machine has a right hand side spindle.
Okay.
So the right hand spindle come to here and grip
Yeah.
the component.
Mhm.
Then cut off process here.
Hmm.
Cut off.
Okay.
Cut off the component. Then move back this one to the right hand side.
Understand.
After that, the gripping here,
Okay.
making this face and that side and that side. So
And also drilling.
right, also drilling here.
Okay. So then complete workpiece.
Right.
How was this material on the right? So the operator get rid of it?
Yep.
Okay. After the cut off, this is a remnant. Right?
Yep.
I
This is a
understand.
lemon.
Okay. So in the one multitask machine, can we do the automation by the robot or something?
Good question. So actually we use robot operation for loading and unloading.
So this complex shape of workpiece is can do automation also by one multitask machine. That
Right.
is a huge change.
Yes.
Very. Wow. So Hiro,
Yep.
today I'm really interested in this workpiece and the multitasking process. I think this is a champion.
Oh.
Next time, do you have another workpiece?
Yeah, no. Yeah. Yes, of course.
I think.
Yeah, yes.
We have a lot of performance on the customer on the sample part. Yeah. Okay, everybody. So thank you for watching. If you like this new project, please subscribe and press high rating. And please put your comment on this comment box. So thank you, everybody. Let's cut about the manufacturing together. See you, machinists.
Bye now.
Bye.